Hello, thank you for joining me for a video. Just want to do a little talk on the square one. Um, Square one I normally use. It's YUXIN Little Magic, and my other YUXIN Little Magic also with the black on top. I have four. I have four altogether square ones. I have the X-Men Volt V2 magnetic. It's fully magnetic. It's okay. I bought just the regular one out of the box, and out of the box, the top layer was pretty slow. So when you're doing a square one, the top layer should be fast. I mean, it's extremely helpful. It's very fast on the YUXIN Little Magic. So it's really, really helpful. Same on the black. It's very fast. Makes the solving experience a lot better. Yeah, if you get a square one, invest in one that's good. I mean, even if you have to get like a Pro Shop one, or they have Angstrom ones and stuff like that, look up reviews on it on YouTube or ask around. But yeah, get the better quality ones, because yeah, when I'm solving the square one, it's much better, much easier when you have a much faster one, especially when you're doing the algorithm moves and going back and forth. It's super helpful. So it'll help you get better times, or your experience solving the square one will be much more enjoyable. So I was just wanted to say that if you're going to do a square one, it's a pretty difficult puzzle. It's not easy. I have a series on my channel about square one, how to solve it step by step. If you want to watch it, it's helpful. If you have questions, leave them in the comments under the videos. I'll do my best to answer them. But yeah, I recommend this for advanced cubers. And but my thing I wanted to say was, the point of this video is, if you can't see yourself solving this, like let's say you watch some YouTube videos and you look at pictures on the internet, or maybe on some of the cube shops, and look at the puzzle, and you don't think you could really solve it, you probably won't be able to, because the thing that works for me is, if I think and I could see that I could solve a puzzle, then I'll try it out. If I don't think I can, and it might be too difficult. I mean, you got, like Megaminx, and then there's like, the Megaminx 5x5, 6x6. I'm not going to go that high, because I don't want to remember all the parity moves, and I don't think, honestly, I could solve it. I could probably do the Kilominx, which is the next level up above the Megaminx. I think I can, but again, I just don't want to have to remember all those extra parity moves, because I have so many puzzles. I have so many puzzles, and you got to remember so many moves, and other parity moves you know and learn from like the 4x4 and other puzzles. That's what I mean, is like I can't see myself solving like a 5x5 Gigaminx, that's what it's called, or the 6x6, 7x7. I'm not going to go that high. It's not for me. I like puzzles that are more simple. To me, the more simple the puzzles are, the more fun they are. They really are, whether it's a 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, Megaminx, Paraminx, things like that. Scubes, different kind of scubes. Some are easy, some are hard. Sometimes you'll try puzzles that are harder, and you might not be able to solve it. I think I got one or two puzzles I still haven't solved. Pretty hard. I just wanted to try them out, but now I realize over the last 2 years that it's better that I purchase a puzzle that I think I could solve and I know I could solve. So this is a fun puzzle. Once you learn it, it's really good. It's not expensive. You know, if you buy the YUXIN Little Magic, it's $10 and it moves amazing. I'll show you. This is the X-Men Vault, the black top. I'll show you. That's how slow the top is, and it's not the same. And it's very dry. I've lubed it a couple times and it's still the same result. Right out of the box, the YUXIN Little Magic was very fast, just as fast as this, how it is now. It was very fast out of the box. And I'm not trying to sell this, I'm just telling you the truth. You know, like, you know, I bought the X-Men Volt, the black version, and I bought the yellow version too. I think I got it here. Yeah, it's right here. I got the X-Men Volt here, yellow version, and you know, it's a little bit better now, you know, but it's still, if you look, it's still a little dry. And I've lubed it a couple times. I've done quite a few salves on it, and it's still pretty slow. So I mean, I would rather have a puzzle that I know right out of the box it's good. And you know, I don't think I even lubed this, to be honest. I don't think I did. Yeah, like I think I lubed the black one, the YUXIN Little Magic. I lubed, put a little bit of lube. You know, it was a little bit, it's a little bit slower than the yellow one, the black one. It's a little slower, but then I lubed it, and in time it got better. So I do salves on this. I enjoy doing salves on this. It's they're both great. Both the yellow and black version are great, and you know, I recommend them if you're looking to start a do square one, or if you're looking to get a new square one or a better square one. I recommend those. They're really, really good. It's worth the cost. It's only $10. You know, maybe a little extra for shipping and handling and tax or something. Maybe $13, $14, $15. Talking about US dollars. But yeah, great puzzle. I really, now that I know how to solve it, it's really fun to me. I love doing this. I do this pretty much every day. Like I'll do at least 1 or 2 solves, maybe more on the weekend, a little more, but just having fun with it. So I mean, I enjoy it. You know, if you're looking to have a little bit of a challenge and a really good puzzle, something fun, something good to solve, it's definitely well worth it. So you know, thank you for joining me for this video. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe. And still got my coffee, my cafe. I'm loving it. And have yourself a great day. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I really do.